inspiration. We are going in the garden and we take different flowers and we smell. And if the smell is very good, we enjoy, we can laugh. But sometimes we also have surprises, okay? Let's do it together.
Allora, in un giardino ci sono tanti bei fiori e li cogliamo per profumo, insomma. Però dice che talvolta c'è qualche sorpresa.
Let's see. We take some flower.
Prendiamo un fiore.
And we put in the basket. We take another flower. We smell and we put in the basket. We have a basket. Take another fiore. We put in the basket. And we take another fiore. And we take another fiore. Yes, inhale. Allergy creation, yes? Take another fiore. Come on! Take another fiore. Take another fiore.